So what I think I should do for Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, we're gonna salute his Hawaiian heritage with some pineapple. And how do we do that when I've never dealt with a pineapple? Maybe I'm gonna do a pineapple salsa. No recipes, straight from the heart. Maybe something healthy, you know, and yeah, let's try to do something. So I think I know what to do. I'm gonna cut it in half. And just like that, we have a boat. And I screwed that up because I cut the end off. So we can't use the boat now. I was thinking of doing a pineapple boat. In the boat, make a salsa, but the knife is obviously too sharp, and I'm not that sharp. So how come my mother did this so much easier when I was a kid? As that's happening, I'm processing thoughts in my head. It's kind of interesting now because as I'm talking, I'm just screwing things up. This is much harder than I thought. I remember when I was bartending, we had a bartender, his name was Greg, thick mustache, and people would come in and he'd have a pineapple like this, and he would get a, you know, plastic vibrator, and he'd put it inside, and he'd ask the girls, would you like a pina colada? And I never forget that guy. So let's talk about The Rock. What am I gonna call this thing? Well, I guess, do you smell what The Rock is cooking? No. How about the jabroni? Because that's what I am right now. I kind of know what I'm doing here. And I can bring in what we're going to salsa. What I think we're going to salsa, first of all, is we're in Canada, and I believe The Rock played for the Calgary Stampeders. So I'm gonna put a Canadian spin on this. Maybe some maple syrup. Unbelievable, no maple syrup. What's the next best thing? Wildflower honey. So we're gonna let this thing marinate in. We've got actually pineapple and honey. So I'm thinking maybe something sweet. And I originally was gonna make a friggin' salsa, and I'm not gonna now. You know why? I guess this is another way to do it. Add a bit of custard in honor of wrestling to The Rock, the honky tonk man. We're gonna shake, rattle, and roll. And how I'm gonna shake it is, I'm gonna actually just stir it up, and I'll leave it like this, break it up, and I'm gonna plan my next move. What would go in a jabroni? Wow, this could be something new and exciting. I mean, look at this. Pineapple, custard, honey, jabroni. And let's see the real test. Look at that, we got a W. Like I was saying, you got to put a cherry on top of this thing, and that's what we're gonna do. What can we put on top of this thing? How about a bit of Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Hey, girlie. There you go, not too much of that. I think we need one more thing. A little bit of cookies. I think one more last bit, and we're done. What goes with pineapples? How about a bit of salt, some salted cashews? And there it is, folks. The do-it-yourself jabroni. Boom. Oh my God. This is amazing. The cinnamon. This really is amazing. The salt and the crunchiness from the cashews. Unbelievable. Usually I don't finish meals, but this thing's light, airy, tasty. Not really that many calories. Really, it's in the cookie. There's a couple of cashews. And the honey, how much can it be there? Yeah, it's great. It's amazing.